and tremendous discovery made by way of the James Webb Space Telescope. City lights fixtures in space observed 7 trillion miles from Earth. This big finding has sparked interest within the opportunity of extraterrestrial lifestyles. The telescope zeroed in on Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to Earth, revealing wonderful brilliant lights emanating from it. What can be the purpose for those town lighting on Proxima Centauri b? Could this in the future monitor the presence of lifestyles beyond our sun gadget? Be a part of us as we delve into how the James Webb Space Telescope perceived these top-notch items in space. For a significantly extended time span, analysts and the general population have hypothesized about existence beyond our close-to-planetary community. Proof suggesting lifestyles has been eagerly awaited. In reality, the medical network became bowled over when strong evidence of residing entities was observed by using the James Webb Space Telescope while studying area and sending critical records back to Earth. The James Internet Area Telescope referred to impossible to disregard metropolis lighting shimmering from the exoplanet Proxima Centauri b. These lighting fixtures have been precisely as their name cautioned, lights much like those illuminating a metropolis. The possibility of an alien metropolis present on the big name has left scientists confounded and bewildered, as it looks like the lifestyles they have all been expecting. Assuming that this seems to be real, as all and sundry believes it will, it approach that there are sensible living beings building civilization new to what people understand in area, and we're just coming across it. Exploring the metropolis lighting fixtures positioned 7 trillion miles from Earth, NASA designers cannot assist however wonder how lengthy those lights have been seen in area. David Kipping, a cosmologist from Columbia University, describes the Proxima Centauri b exoplanet, in which the town lighting fixtures were located, as fascinating. He said so due to the fact the superstar system closest to us has changed intensity styles that aren't similar to different planets. The everyday rocky planets are known to soak up daylight and emit infrared radiation. However, not so for this exoplanet, as its infrared nature is particularly exclusive from that of its host celebrity named Proxima Centauri. This requires a tremendous observational eye by means of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and the telescope proved to be worthwhile as the proper device for the project. The JWST can indeed understand infrared frequencies, the unique energy characteristic of Proxima b, which can be a vital element in uncovering the established secrets of its environment. This could be executed thanks to the today's era of infrared imaging abilities advanced through the JWST. Scientists desire to apply the telescope to find the biological components of this planet at air tiers. They also plan to use the Internet Telescope to research the opportunities of life on this exoplanet. The James Webb Space Telescope has an infrared consciousness that is geared up to analyze what happens on Proxima Centauri b's night aspect. Getting the smallest mild emissions in the widespread darkness is commonly a challenge for area telescopes. However, not for the JWST, as it can locate even the smallest mild emissions from area. It's the best device to check if the reviews about city lights on Proxima b's night aspect are valid or not. Not every synthetic light within the universe can be detected by using the telescope, as long because it falls inside a frequency band that is often smaller than the starlight. Proxima b has an exciting courting among its celestial additives and floor conditions. The day aspect of the exoplanet includes numerous sun chargers that harness the blazing sun energy emitted by way of the celebrity, even as its spectral location reflects incoming light beams. Meanwhile, when Proxima b completes its orbit around its host star, Proxima Centauri, it reviews day and night cycles just like what we've got on Earth, with the sunlight hours having high sun depth and the midnight experiencing coolness. The planet is notioned to have temperature variations regulated through its shape. For example, assuming there may be no environment on Proxima b, the difference among its day and midnight cycles can be huge and some distance apart. Assuming there is no moderating effect of atmospheric gases and oceans, the temperature of the day aspect can be sizzling hot like a dark frame, and the midnight will plunge into cold darkness. The degree of temperature variation is a ripe concern for astronomers to resolve. A deeper expertise of Proxima Centauri's structure, having an unparalleled infrared imaging capability, the JWST can indeed observe the planet's thermal emissions to offer sensible statistics about its biological residences. Apparently, the orbit of the James Webb Space Telescope across the Earth aligns with Proxima b's orbital duration, giving a complete view of its 24-hour cycles within 11.2 Earth days. If it indeed has an environment, the next step could be to determine its environmental technological know-how to determine whether or not it is able to support lifestyles. A couple of quality signs in finding out if there is existence are the presence of gases like oxygen, water vapor, and methane. If those elements are found on the world, it shows that it maintains viable situations for life. The assignment of precisely identifying this calls for researchers to be meticulous as they collect and analyze light beams that pass through the planet's surroundings. That is a completely hard mission. However, the JWST has excellent talents for characterizing planetary atmospheres. It has a primary objective. The telescope has been programmed to most effective check out the variations in water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane awareness. While it comes to detecting enhanced oxygen, which is a critical sign of something occurring deep beneath, the JWST is restricted in this area. Although the telescope nevertheless has key motivations to search for different elements inside the global, like ozone, which gives a unique degree of importance inside the atmosphere. The fact that the James Webb Space Telescope doesn't have comprehensive skills and cannot peer at some of the nearest feasible worlds to Earth, leading an exhaustive air analysis, space specialists are now leaning towards ground-primarily based observatories like the Extremely Big Telescope, ELT. The ELT is a telescope that has been designed to begin operating in 2028, and it's far strategically placed to appearance deeper into the atmospheric composition of remote exoplanets. It will offer data on those planets to provide complete and clear insights into their level of habitability. NASA scientists and all people are eagerly watching for the deployment of future space telescopes like those. Until that factor, however, the James Webb Space Telescope remains a critical tool in our journey to discover the mysteries of far-flung exoplanets. Despite its ongoing boundaries, the NET telescope has the ability to provide giant insights that will revolutionize how we interpret exoplanetary studies now and in the destiny. Researchers have a goal for Destiny space telescopes, and that is to reduce the amount of brilliant mild coming from a planet's host megastar so astronomers can better see the lighting contemplated from an exoplanet itself. They intend to try this through the usage of inner sun sunglasses or large outside solar sunshades shaped like an umbrella. Similar to the use of your hand to block out beams of sunlight to permit you to see an item clearer, reducing the overwhelming brightness coming from the host superstar will better position future telescopes to consciousness on faint impressions of mild coming from exoplanets, allowing for a clean analysis of its ecosystem and the opportunity of supporting lifestyles. Doing this comes with its very own challenges. However, scientists want to understand gases comprised of life and those from geological cycles like volcanic hobby. Astronomers are not giving up on know-how the traits of exoplanets so that they are better prepared to locate symptoms of something happening on a deeper level and distinguish them from deceptive signals. The JWST represents, at the same time, and terrific opportunity. A terrific story has emerged recently that some aliens are indeed something special inside the stars, just hoping that humans will discover them to provide an answer to this question. American space experts Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson began a mission referred to as the Quest for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, in 1984. Called the CI Association, it's a charitable organization that aims to sift through cosmic signals to clearly get radio transmissions from space. The intent behind specializing in radio transmissions is a result of their ability to travel great distances without getting dispersed or absorbed like other forms of radiation. Thanks to this emblem, radio transmissions are sure to be identified through the 42 radio telescopes that make up the Allen Telescope Array, located in the foothills of California. Although the SETI Association has thoroughly determined signs of radio transmissions made by extraterrestrial life, there have not been such signals for more than 30 years. Jill Tarter is inspired that they will have a positive outcome as they plan to utilize the devices of the 21st century to hurry up the search. In Jill's words, "I desire that you could allow Earthlings everywhere to come to be energetic participants inside the closing quest for extraterrestrial affiliation." All of this continued until recent reports from NASA suggested that the James Webb Space Telescope discovered city lights from a planet near Earth. The JWST is the game-changer employed by individuals in determining the universe. It is already the most advanced tool in all of mankind to reveal all the mysteries of the universe. The telescope is currently floating around 1 million miles from Earth, sending exact insights concerning the earliest instances of the universe. It's far anticipated to get the previously diffused insights viewing space as it conveys more clarity on the evolution of space, galaxies, planets, and stars. Cosmologists haven't failed to benefit from the JWST's cutting-edge improvements, including its outstanding digital camera element and filters to hit upon and analyze the delicate tones surrounding super gadgets. Experts are eager to use the telescope to gather information about the real residences and chemical compositions of celestial bodies located some distance away inside the universe. This became done through isolating particular frequencies of light. Beyond just observing, the Internet Telescope constantly examines the climate of exoplanets for faint suggestions of existence, irrespective of how small. It has an unheard-of capability to explore the presence of life and has discovered some of the maximum fascinating discoveries ever, together with the discovery of something else in mass than what changed into previously believed to have existed within the universe. This mass has been determined in numerous big structures, casting doubt on the earliest configuration and breadth of the universe. Humanity has in view that decided to discover the farthest reaches of the enormous plane using the JWST as a vital tool for achieving this. Through the telescope, new data on distant galaxies will be recorded, and greater astrophysical information will be available, equipped to address the mysteries of those planets. Years ago, the vast space beyond our planetary gadget wasn't explored. Since then, astronomers have diagnosed over 4,000 exoplanets that orbit remote stars, showing exactly how far human ingenuity can go. Still, those discoveries are seen by NASA as just scratching the surface of the cosmic iceberg. Scientists accept as true with that, in fact, there are trillions of exoplanets scattered all throughout the universe that haven't been located. Not giving up over time, scientists are still exploring space with at least a few hopes of locating alien environments where people haven't ventured. They've had promising signs throughout this assignment. For example, whilst Galileo hopped on a bus going to Jupiter, its spectroscopic device accidentally revealed an exciting spectral signature that lent credence to extraterrestrial flowers. This became the first time scientists found a profile that indicated the presence of life in the universe. This biomarker was the Flora Redside VRE, which seeks extraterrestrial life specifically via carefully monitoring how it reflects light. With the help of the VRE, the James Webb Space Telescope is expected to show the secrets of extraterrestrial environments through the careful examination of orbital constraints of probably habitable planets dwelling within the livable zones of their alien parent stars. Once those are identified, the V can offer valuable proof in the look for intelligent living entities outside Earth, beginning a new journey in uncovering the mysteries of the universe. When sunlight passes via the atmospheric layers, the scattered mild which carries with its unique frequencies gets absorbed via the debris and molecules determined in those layers. As the absorption continues, a specific spectral sample associated with specific fingerprints is fashioned that may be deciphered through spectroscopic evaluation. It's a commonplace perception that once mild from stars reaches a planet, the JWST will be able to understand it as it enters the planet's atmosphere. This information suggests that the JWST could be the missing link to uncovering the biological composition of those Earth-sized planets and planets that include atmospheres rich in carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen. Such planets ought to potentially guide lifestyles. However, the loss of unique compounds may want to spotlight alternative types of existence and commercial improvements. For instance, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, man-made chemicals used for refrigeration and other industrial purposes, could assist scientists in proving the existence of extraterrestrial development. If the JWST detects such synthetic debris within the environment of exoplanets, it will likely be clean proof of extraterrestrial interest past our planetary institution. This opens up a new window for extensive researchers to look at the environmental composition of other worlds and the slender danger of alien civilizations past Earth. The opportunity of life far from Earth is portrayed by using a giant array of possibilities that go beyond the limits of natural view.